Let us now create a section which is not straight section, but if we have a section which changes the direction, we can do that. So before we do that, I will delete this section to make room. Click yes. Go to section line, select standalone, select the section view, create the profile along which the section needs to be created. So this is not going to be a straight line. We will create it as shown below and say finish. Apply, and you can see the section has been created. Let's go to the section view so that we can create a section view from this section C. In order to create the section view, we will select existing, select this section, drag it out, and you have the section over here. Close, move it to the top so that the section is visible.